Getting ready to test a brand new Hybrid Goat 22T. This one's pretty cool because it comes with a snowplow attachment right on the front of it. It's great for winter time. You can use it as light commercial, use it for your driveway. Really all-around purpose.
What is this one going?
This one's going out to Jim from Pennsylvania. He's gonna be a pretty lucky guy. So we're getting ready to test it. Let's see how it goes. Right now I just want to test the snowplow, make sure it can be adjusted properly. Brand new, so it's just kind of working itself in. This is literally the first time it's ever been moved. You can see up and down, just with the remote control. If you see here, just adjusting this knob, you can get exact position of what you want. Also features a trip spring, which is pretty nice. So if it hits like a curb, it's kind of hard to do by hand, but you can see if it hits a curb or something along those lines, it won't damage the plow or the mounting mechanism for it. So let's go ahead and start the 22T test. Drives pretty nice. I'm going to start the gas engine. It's all from the remote control. Doing some mowing, I'm going to raise the height of the plow, get it out of the way. It's going to do a nice function check, basically drive it around, make sure that I can turn, go forwards, see, make sure it goes backwards.
Hey Greg, do you think we can do like a mini bulldozer?
Yeah, definitely. This thing can push like 200 or 300 pounds, maybe a little bit more than that, depending on the surface you're on. On the dirt, it's going to be a little tricky. But if you had something out in front of it, you'd have no problems, like a mound of dirt, anything like that. I'm going to take it on the hill. This is really what the 22T is designed for, is slope mowing. This is about 30-degree slope. The 22T will go up to 50 degrees. As you can see, the 22T really don't have a problem with this kind of mowing. And this is the best way to do it, kind of like contour with the side of the hill. Going to go ahead and go into some of that thick grass there, kind of show off the power of the hybrid system. Let's walk over there and see. I mean, the grass is so tall you can barely even see the unit. Yeah, it's cutting it really nicely, really. So the unit turned off. I went ahead and checked out what happened, and it's kind of hard to see from here, but when I walked up close to the unit, there's actually a huge tractor rut from somebody who must have come in here trying to mow with a large piece of equipment, and it actually got stuck there, you can tell. So what happened was the track was actually trying to move the earth. It was really like pushing that entire track rut. So I went ahead and cleared it. Going to start right up again. No problem. This grass is huge. It's like 3-foot tall grass. about the 22T is that it mows forwards and backwards. We can just back up. This is really the most efficient way to do it. Instead of trying to turn the mower around. This is some big stuff. See, while most lawnmowers, they'll use the gas engine's power to directly drive the propulsion system, whereas ours, it's hybrid electric, which means that the propulsion system is completely electric. And so the gas engine, almost all the power is going directly to the cutting blade, and only a very little bit is going to power the generator for the electric motors. And you can see the grass kind of builds up from how thick it is, but it'll just fall out. It's a pretty nice design. Just gonna do this last pass here, kind of clear it out, make it look kind of nice. Last feature to check is the gas engine shut off. You can do it right from the remote control. So let's go ahead and try that.